guys, it's Kid Shay and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I got a new bag, and I get excited every time I get something new that I love or like, but when I get a new bag I'm just like ecstatic. But yes, so today is going to be an unboxing video and a reveal video. Alright, let's get right to it. My new baby is inside this box. Are you ready to see? I'm so excited. This is actually a real unboxing video. Like, I haven't opened this box yet since I left the Louis Vuitton store. So I'm really excited because I get to reveal it to you all and also see my baby and bring her home. Alright, so here we go. So as you can see, they put my bag in a different shopping bag than my Melly bag. If you check out my Melly video, then you'll see that the bags are different. I don't know why they do different bags, but I like this one. It's so pretty. It has the gold symbols and the gold straps. It's so pretty. And then it gets even better. Look at this box. Are you ready? This box is beautiful. It's wrapped beautifully, and I just love the gold bow. I mean, it looks like any other Louis Vuitton box, but it's still beautiful. So let's just enjoy this moment and let it soak in. Alright, so here we go. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm going to mess up the pretty bow. So before I reveal this to you, can you guess what bag it is? I wonder if anyone has it right. Here it is in its dust bag. And this is what the box looks like, empty. It just folds open, has a magnetic strip placed inside, and it just automatically clips because it's magnetic, and then it pops open in there. Here we go! My new baby! My new baby. It comes folded like this in a dust bag, but you just pop it and it's ready to go. My new baby! I'm so excited! Can you hear the excitement in my voice right now? Alright. This is the Damier Ebene Speedy 35, or the Speedy 35 Damier Ebene. Here it is, my new baby. She is so beautiful. She's just gorgeous. Look at her. She is really gorgeous. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous, and she's a beautiful size. This is a great size for me. This size is perfect for me. I actually was going for the 30, but they didn't have it in stock, and I can't lie, I was a little happy that they didn't have it in stock because a part of me really wanted the 35 just because I like big bags. I just love big bags. The 30 wouldn't have been too small, but going bigger doesn't hurt. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at the size of this. Beautiful size, right? I just love this bag already. I didn't even wear it yet. I just love it already. I'm really in love with the size of it. This is kind of big. Actually, I'm looking at it and this is pretty big. I guess I could have been okay with the 30. I mean, I know I would have been okay with the 30. But yes, this is... it's very roomy. Oh my gosh, there's so much room inside. I'm about to climb in. Just kidding. But there's so much room inside. So much room inside. Look at all this room in this bag. There's tons of room. So I'm just going to switch everything out of my Melly and put it in here. I actually have a bag organizer in my Melly. I wonder if it's going to fit in here because it's actually too big for my Melly. So maybe it will fit in here. I don't know. We'll see. I'm hoping it does so I don't have to order another one. But yes. And it's a beautiful red on the inside. It comes with this little pocket on the inside, this zippered pocket. That's a nice touch. Then everything else is just open space in here. So, I love the smell of new stuff. It smells good. Yes, I just stuck my head in my purse and sniffed it. Oh well, I'm weird, I know, but I love the smell. This is so big. Hello? Oh my gosh, there's an echo. No, it's so big. Okay, anyway, so inside they have this little pouch. I believe the lock and the keys are in here. Oh, yes. Has the little keys in here and then the little lock. I'm going to open that right now and put it on. Oh, it's so cute. So you can lock your purse like this, locked shut. I am just going to use it as a little accessory on my purse because I don't want to lock my purse shut right now, so that I can have easy access to it. And plus, where would I put my keys? I can't put them in my purse because then it'll be locked. So yes, I'm just not going to do that. I also need to get a bag shaper, see that it just like folds in. I don't want it to keep doing that, so I'm going to also get a bag shaper. This bag is so pretty, my new baby. Come here, baby. Mommy loves you. Yes, she does, baby. Mommy loves you. I am so excited to use this bag, and I'm going to use it first thing tomorrow because tomorrow morning I will be headed to the airport for a short weekend trip. So I'm so excited to take my new bag to the airport with me. And this is a great bag to take on the plane. And she is gorgeous, like I said. She has beautiful skin. She's so gorgeous. This size is like, I'm just in love with the size of this bag. I told you I like big bags. But alright, this is my new baby. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Ay, ay. But I don't want to. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for a what's in my bag for this Speedy 35 and also a review after I get some more wear out of it. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming soon. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.